Welcome to Time Slice, where we cut through time one day at a time. Today's trip through history has it all: rocket attacks, the birth of Star Trek, and even a giraffe discovery that rewrote the textbooks. Let's beam up into September 8th. You don't want to miss this one. We begin in 1921 on the shores of Atlantic City, where 16-year-old Margaret Gorman from Washington, D.C. was crowned the first ever Miss America. What began as a bathing beauty contest grew into one of the longest-running pageants in the world. Love it or loathe it, Miss America became a cultural icon. Do you think pageants still have a place today? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Just 3 years later, in 1924, the world saw its first ever female ambassador, Alexandra Kollontai of Russia. A revolutionary and diplomat, Kollontai shattered the glass ceiling long before the phrase even existed, a groundbreaking moment in global politics, and an inspiration till today. September 8th is packed with World War II milestones. 1941, Germany launched the Leningrad blockade, a brutal siege that lasted nearly 900 days and caused unimaginable suffering. 1943, Italy surrendered to the Allies, shifting the tides of war in Europe. 1944, Germany's terrifying V-2 rockets struck Antwerp and London, marking the dawn of long-range missile warfare. One day, 3 turning points. A reminder that even in global chaos, history never slows down. In 1946, Bulgaria abolished its own monarchy, closing the chapter on centuries of royal rule and becoming a republic, a quiet but profound moment in Eastern European history. Trekkies rejoice! On this day in 1966, Star Trek premiered on NBC TV, introducing Captain Kirk, Spock, Uhura, and a future shaped by science fiction. Star Trek wasn't just entertainment, it inspired generations to dream of space, diversity, and exploration. What's your favorite Trek character or moment? Let us know down below. And yes, Trekkie debates are welcome. In 1967, Uganda ended its tribal kingdoms and officially became a republic, a landmark moment in the nation's journey towards modern governance. On this day in 1975, Guinea-Bissau finally declared independence from Portugal, after years of struggle and conflict. Freedom hard-fought and hard-won. And here's a twist that no one saw coming. In 2016, a current biology study revealed that giraffes aren't one species, but actually 4. That's right, the tallest land animal on Earth just got a family tree overhaul. Science keeps on reminding us that there's always more to learn, even about creatures we thought we knew. Famous birthdays. 1925, Peter Sellers. Legendary British actor and master of disguise, best remembered for his comedic brilliance in the Pink Panther films. 1941, Bernie Sanders. Long-serving U.S. Senator from Vermont and progressive political icon known for championing healthcare and economic reform. 1979, Pink. Grammy-winning American singer-songwriter celebrated for her powerhouse vocals and rebellious pop anthems. A trio that spans satire, politics, and pure vocal fire. Who would you hang out with first? Notable deaths. 1935, Edward L. Doheny, American oil tycoon whose rise from prospector to petroleum magnate helped shape California's oil industry. 2003, Leni Riefenstahl, German filmmaker best known for her Nazi propaganda films, whose artistic legacy remains controversial to this day. From pageant queens and space explorers to revolutionaries and rock stars, September 8th reminds us how one date can hold worlds of change. Which moment blew you away today? Comment down below. We'd love to hear what sparked your curiosity. And don't forget to like and subscribe for your daily Time Slice adventure.